I love all this brass, all the little fine detail. Look at that diamond T brass.
Yeah, I tried to keep everything that was cool about the old truck on the old truck.
Yep. Well, you did. You did a fine job. There's some more brass.
Tried to make it a diamond T,
Mm-hmm.
not a vehicle on a different frame.
And he's got these little arrow turn signals. Make a little arrow when they light up. Boy, look at the shine on that. I'm looking at us in the reflection. Man. Well, you sure did a beautiful job on it, Stretch.
Thank you.
How long did you work on it? I mean, I know you don't work on it. You know,
Well,
it comes in spurts, but
Probably a good 5 years
Yeah.
from working on it.
yeah.
But, you know, working a regular job and working in the evenings on
Sure.
it. Weekends. And help from lots of talented people.
Yeah. 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 Mike did a beautiful job on the paint.
Guy that made the rear wheels.
Yeah.
My wife for putting up with the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Well, nice to have that support. That's a brass strip down between the hoods. I didn't just now notice that. Wow.
Flip up the hood on that side.
Okay. It's pretty full. It's pretty full in there. We forgot to honk the horns. Are the horns hooked up?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Sounds like a Chrysler Imperial.
Yeah, she's pretty full. Beautiful.
Has a electric fan on the outside of the radiator too.
Uh-huh.
Had to run a points distributor with a electronic kit in it.
There's not room for an HEI in there, is there?
No, couldn't use the big distributor.
Yep.
The old low-end manifold adapted to a 2-barrel Holly
Mm-hmm.
to make it run good on the low end.
Mm-hmm.
Power brakes out of a 3/4 ton Chevy pickup. Suspended pedals from under the dash.
Mm-hmm.
Original radiator, but it's been retubed with a 3-tube Modine core. Makes 7 pounds of pressure.
And all your lights converted to 12
Oh,
volt?
yeah.
Yeah.
Everything 12
Yep.
volt.
Well, it is a beautiful truck.